If you're confused between front-end and back-end, you're not alone. Every beginner has this question. Let me give you the clearest breakdown you'll ever hear. Front-end is everything the user sees and interacts with. The buttons you click, the text you read, the animations you see, that's all front-end. It's built with HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue make it faster to build complex UIs. Let me show you what front-end code looks like. You write HTML to create elements, CSS to make them look good, and JavaScript to make them interactive. When you click a button and something happens on screen, that's front-end. When the page layout adjusts to your phone, that's front-end. Everything visual. Back-end is everything behind the scenes. The logic, the database, the authentication. Users never see it, but it powers everything. When you log into Instagram, the front-end shows the login form, but the back-end checks your password, fetches your data, and sends back your feed. Without back-end, the front-end is just a pretty picture with no data. Here's what back-end looks like. You create an API that handles requests. The client sends a request, the server processes it, talks to the database, and sends back a response. Node.js, Python, Java, Go, these are back-end languages. Express, Django, Spring, these are back-end frameworks. Front-end and back-end communicate through APIs. The front-end sends an HTTP request, like get me some data. The back-end receives it, processes it, queries the database, and sends back JSON. The front-end takes that JSON and displays it beautifully. It's a conversation between two sides. Let's use a real example, a login flow. User types email and password, that's front-end. Click login, front-end sends post request. Back-end receives it, checks the database, verifies the password. If correct, back-end sends a token. Front-end stores the token and shows the dashboard. Both sides working together. Know both? That's full stack. Full stack developers can build the entire application, from the button you click to the database that stores your data. It's the most versatile and in-demand skill set in tech. This is a basic but critical interview question. Don't just give definitions. Use a real-world example. Explain the login button is front-end, authentication is back-end. Give a concrete example and you'll stand out. Front-end is what users see, back-end is the logic and data. Together they make complete applications. Which one are you learning? Comment below. Follow Code in 60 for the complete developer journey.